Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to provide a solution to this exponential equation. We have to solve 5 into 2 to the power of 2x minus 3 equals 160. Here, we have to find the value of x that will satisfy this equation here on the board. First, I put down here solution. I come now with a question here. 5 into 2 to the power of 2x minus 3 equals 160. Here, the first step to be considered, since 160 is divisible by 5, then we are going to divide both sides of the equation through by 5. Now, I divide here by 5. I divide here by 5. Then coming down here, 5, we eliminate 5 here, and the equation becomes 2 to the power of 2x minus 3 equals here 160 divided by 5, that will give us 32. Now, the next step to be considered is for you to express both sides of the equation in the same base. Here we have a common base of 2, and then as such, we are going to express 32 in the same base of 2, and the equation becomes 2 to the power of 2x minus 3 equals 32 to base 2 will give you 2 to the power of 5. Then now, since the bases are the same, you are going to equate the powers. Therefore, we have here that 2x minus 3 equals 5. The next step here is for you to collect like terms, or simply add 3 to both sides of the equation. Now, if you do that, you're going to have it 2x minus 3 plus 3 equals 5 plus 3. Then here we have 2x. Right here, minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Then as such, the whole of this is gone. And we have 2x equals 5 plus 3. That gives you 8. Now, to get the value of 8, I'm going to divide both sides of the equation through by 2. Then I divide here by 2. I'll divide here by 2 as well. Then here 2 we eliminate 2 here, and we have that x equals 8 divided by 2. That will give us 4. And this is the value of x that will satisfy this given equation here on the board. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.